66 million devices, 11 million developers, 40 million apps. Well, Huawei just dropped these numbers at the Huawei Developer Conference 2026, and they tell a story way bigger than just one operating system. So yeah, at the Huawei Developer Conference 2026, Huawei's consumer business chairman Richard Yu announced that the HarmonyOS 6 has now reached over 66 million devices, and the installed base is just one part of the picture. Alongside those 66 million installations, HarmonyOS 6 now has 11 million registered developers and more than 40 million applications available at the services. Well, let that sink in for a second. 11 million developers building for an OS that didn't even exist in its current form a few years ago. That's not a niche project anymore. That's a real software ecosystem. So here's why this number actually matters. HarmonyOS has become a major part of the Huawei's entire device ecosystem in just 1 year and 2 months since its full rollout. And it's not just phones. HarmonyOS now runs across smartphones, tablets, wearables, PCs, smart cars, and other product categories. That's the strategy Huawei has been building towards this whole time. One operating system, every device type, all connected together. Compare that to how long it took other operating systems to reach this kind of scale. Most platforms take years to cross tens of millions of active devices. However, Huawei has done this in just over a year, largely because they're not starting from zero. They're converting their existing massive hardware installed base over to their own OS. So this growth isn't just about quantity either. Huawei has continuously added smart, efficient features into the OS, improving productivity, while also making it safer and more secure for users' data and privacy. The feature list spans payment services, live view notification management, an enhanced note application, and AI photo editing tools. And as we covered in our last video, that same momentum is exactly what's carrying into the HarmonyOS 7. So this isn't a one-off achievement. It's a continuous pattern of investment that's now compounding. So what's next? Huawei is now targeting 100 million HarmonyOS 6 devices by the end of 2026. So let's do quick math on that. Going from 66 million to 100 million means Huawei needs roughly 34 more devices activations in just the back half of the year. Given the Mate 90 is launching this fall with the stable version of the HarmonyOS 7 and likely pulling existing HarmonyOS 6 users into upgrading or buying new hardware, that 100 million target doesn't look unrealistic at all. Here's my honest take on it. People love to ask, is HarmonyOS actually succeeding? And at this point, the numbers are speaking for themselves. 66 million devices, 11 million developers, 40 million apps, under sanctions with no Android, no Google services. That's a genuinely remarkable outcome, regardless of how you feel about Huawei as a company. The real test now is whether HarmonyOS 7 and the Huawei Mate 90 launched this fall can accelerate that growth even further, or whether Huawei starts hitting natural ceiling effects as the easy upgrades run out. See ya! 66 million devices today, 100 million target by the year end, and the HarmonyOS 7 is engine that's supposed to get them there. So subscribe. I'll track this milestone as we get closer to the end of this year. Drop a comment. What do you think Huawei hits 100 million by December? Let me know your thoughts on it in the comments down below.